Hi, I'm Andy Acker, Director of Education for Schluter Systems.
And I'm Bryant Bouchard, the Regional Manager for the Northeast.
So here we're going to do just a brief installation of some KERDI-BOARD in this small shower setting here, Bryant.
Right, and you know, the benefits of KERDI-BOARD are it's very lightweight, it's easy to cut, easy to handle, no dust, no mess. So it's a great product, and we're going to be going over metal studs. This particular panel is 5/8 thick, which meets most commercial installation methods.
Okay, great. So very quick technique on how to put this on. We are going to be using some self-tapping metal screws and some of the washers. We do have these washers. They are a requirement of Schluter Systems that you use the washer. That is actually going to help you eliminate 50% of the fasteners you would typically use to put a panel to a stud. So every 12 inches instead of every 6. Now you can see what Brian's doing here. He's actually putting the washers in place now. They have the little tabs on them where you can see he can push those into the board and hold them in place. Just a little bit of a benefit to do that. Now as far as putting the washer in, you want to just recess it just a little bit. This is going to be a wet area, so we're going to be covering it with a little patch of our KERDI. We'll put that on there, and we don't want that to interfere with the thin side of the trowel when we're actually putting that on there, so keep that in mind. Okay, now that all the fasteners are in, we're actually going to have to waterproof this, as I said. We do want a continuous waterproof envelope before tiling, so the fasteners did put a penetration in the waterproof panel, so we do have some small patches of KERDI that we can apply over the top. So you can see that Bryant is using a very small notch trowel. This is about an 8 by 8 square notch or 3/16 V notch. That's going to be a small amount of material, but plenty enough to embed the KERDI into the bond coat and get it sealed up. We'll also do any of the floor-to-wall connections, inside corners, outside corners, make certain it's all tied together. Continuous waterproof envelope before we're ready to tile. Okay, so we'll continue that on and get the rest of that waterproof before tiling, Bryant. But there you go, a very quick tutorial, if you will, on how to put a KERDI-BOARD to those metal studs.
Right, and please refer to our Shower Systems Installation Handbook for more information.
Thanks.
Thank you.